got something a bit different today. We're out on a road run, and it's for Wiltshire Air Ambulance, but the marshal's too slow, so I've been lent this. Oh, got to get back a bit. Fordson Major diesel, local tractor supplied by TH White's originally, which is a local dealer to us. But the really cool thing about this tractor, it belongs to a friend of mine, and it was the first tractor he ever bought, and he bought it when we were probably 13, 14. So it means this is probably the third or fourth tractor that I ever drove in my life, because I'm not from a farming family. So I haven't driven this in probably close to 30 years when it was last repainted, and so we're doing a road run on it. So yeah, come along with us and see how well I do. So I thought I'd have a walk around some of the tractors, seeing as we stopped for lunch. Unfortunately, I discovered I forgot to bring my the adapter to put the camera on the mount. A nice 600 Major, he sounds nice. Nice Massey. Another nice international, lovely John Deere. That 2120 is gorgeous. I have seen it before. There's McCormick. It's Malcolm's Dexter. Right there. A real nice range of sort of ages of tractors, really. Right, so the little international swimming to go shiny. This one here, chuck to your damn yourself. This one, and the one I'm driving, belong to the same guy, and there's an international similar to that belongs to him that's being driven by somebody else. He's been kind enough to lend us tractors, which is absolutely lovely of him. Another Major, a loader on it. It looks like JCB wheels. This one's been following me actually all day. He's quite a nice little tractor. It's good fun. Had a quite enjoyable day really.
And when you break down again from the little
they weren't, well, it was behind me. So not been the most successful day as far as filming's gone, but I've had an absolutely fantastic time. I'm really grateful to my mate Gary from Bishop's Firewood for lending me one of his tractors, and the fact it was his very first tractor that he bought, which is quite a special tractor to him. It's actually a special tractor to me too, because I remember when he bought it, we were good friends back then, still are. And I remember riding around on it, and he let me have a drive of it, and it's been nearly 30 years probably since I saw this tractor. I mean, it would have been, well, maybe not 30, so maybe 2000 would have been the last time I drove that tractor or really saw it. So it's a bit shabbier than it used to be, but then 26 years of work. I mean, we all look at it shabbier than we used to back in 2000. But yeah, really super grateful that he's let me do that. I've had a great time. We went through some beautiful scenery, which fortunately we didn't get shots of. But yeah, next road run that I do, which will probably be next year, we're going to get some decent footage of it. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I've really enjoyed my day, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks a lot.